Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ridgefield local and long distance movers near me. Hire our transferring services to relocate statewide, locally, and across state lines. We have an excellent operating relationship with the officers in place of all nearby and federal relocations. Furthermore, we care about protecting our customers and their belongings, so we've advanced coverage insurance to cowl threat duty each earlier than and after the transfer. We also have the maximum conscientious movers and drivers to supply your possessions adequately for your new domestic. You do not need to fear us being dishonest, as we offer the least expensive offerings. Local relocations are regularly much less costly than long-distance actions, so we keep our charges low, between $30 to $40 every hour, to match our customers' budgets. If you hire our relocation services, we will make sure to give you the best value for your money. We are also comfortable in congested regions and will let you have your possessions as soon as possible for your domestic needs. The most brilliant group of nearby movers will help you make the best choices on detailing the transferring process. If you are still unconvinced, ask around, and you may find out that we have positive reviews from our customers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ridgefield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.